give you 4 simple points that you can rub on a daily basis to help your adrenals, help balance your cortisol, and overall help your hormones. As you know, I am an Eden's Energy Medicine clinical practitioner. I'm also on faculty at the Eden Method program for the certification program with Donna Eden. And I think these tools that Donna has put together and taught us are probably some of the best stuff that I've ever learned. It is practical, it is helpful, and it will help your body achieve health and wellness over time. So let's get started. Find your belly button. We're going to come out approximately 1 inch, and then you're going to come up 1 inch. You're going to bring 3 fingers together, your thumb, your index, and your middle finger. You're going to make like a little triangle, and we are going to rub deeply right there. These are access points to your adrenals. And so this is helping give the adrenals some energy and a boost. Now, you can also do this on the back side. So let's say we hold these here. You can also reach for the back side and do the same thing. You can either push in and pull out, just as I'm doing, or you can simply rub as we did on the front side. But this is great to help those adrenals, which are sitting on top of your kidneys, help them balance and give them energy, especially if you've been under stress, which right now, during these days with the coronavirus, I think everybody's got some level of stress for some reason. Now, let's balance the cortisol points. Again, you're coming back to your middle, you're coming back to your belly button, excuse me there. I like to put my middle finger there. I draw about 1 inch out, and then this time I'm going 1 inch down. Again, I'm bringing my 3 fingers together, and we are going to rub. Your next question is going to be, well, how often do I do this? And you want to do this every day, especially if you are having struggles with cortisol, if you're having struggles with stress, and if you're having struggles with hormones. So ladies, if you are in any way, shape, or form, or men having issues with hormones, you want to rub both the adrenal points and the cortisol points. If you got anything out of this video and you think it'll help somebody else, please forward it to 3 friends you know. Until I meet you in person, I'm sending you infinite love and gratitude. Bye-bye.